So for my feedback for today is that looking at the work the students have done, they've really meticulously worked on their design and the design process. I would also like to give a commendation to the faculty for designing the problems and the design briefs in such a way that the learning process of starting from the step one till the culmination of an actual design, uh, the students were able to showcase that. And it is really commendable that most of the students have the knack of design, and they do understand how design actually works. So they are more concentrated on the functionality of the design as well as the form following. Plus the brief, I feel the brief was although it was very precise as to what the students had to do, but on the contrary it gave them lots of freedom to think about themselves. And because the site was also within their campus, so it might have given them a little more insight into how an architectural campus works or functions like, and what kind of spaces can actually accentuate the daily life in a campus like that. And some of the students have really come up with very good design ideas. And the way the process has been derived out of anthropometrics moving to proxemics, and then social gathering spaces coming down to a design problem which they have actually addressed in the right mode. I would say even the student who has worked the least in the project was at least able to showcase 2 to 3 stages of the design process altogether. And it is very commendable that in this unprecedented time where the faculties and the students are both toiling to keep up at both the personal and the professional fronts together and still make a semester happen, and come up with a jury like this where we can exchange ideas and learn from each other is a very, very commendable effort. So thank you for having me today. I really loved it. Thank you.